Big Fat Indian Weddings, a celebration of love, family, and life. Indian weddings are legendary. They are not just events, they are grand spectacles that bring together the essence of love, tradition, and community. The sheer scale and grandeur of these weddings are awe-inspiring, making them unforgettable experiences for everyone involved. They are full of vibrant colors, delicious food, and amazing music. The decorations are often elaborate, with bright hues and intricate designs that reflect the rich cultural heritage. The food is a culinary journey, offering a variety of dishes that tantalize the taste buds. And the music, a blend of traditional and contemporary, sets the perfect backdrop for the celebrations. It's no wonder they can last for days. These weddings are not just a one-day affair. They are a series of events that span several days, each with its own significance and rituals. From the engagement ceremony to the Mehndi, Sangeet, and finally the wedding day, every event is meticulously planned and executed. These celebrations are about more than just the couple. They are a time for families to come together, to bond, and to create lasting memories. The sense of community is palpable, as relatives and friends from near and far gather to partake in the joyous occasion. They bring together entire families and communities. It's a time when old friendships are rekindled and new ones are formed. The laughter, the shared stories, and the collective joy create an atmosphere of warmth and togetherness that is truly special. Growing up, I loved going to weddings. They were magical events that I looked forward to with great excitement. The joy of dressing up, the thrill of meeting cousins and friends, and the sheer fun of being part of the celebrations made these weddings unforgettable. I was mesmerized by the beautiful saris, the intricate henna designs, and the overall splendor of the occasion. The women, adorned in their finest attire, looked like royalty. The henna, with its detailed patterns, was a work of art that added to the beauty of the event and the infectious energy of the guests. The dance floor was always the highlight, with everyone, young and old, joining in the fun. The music, the dance, and the laughter created an electric atmosphere that was impossible to resist. Indian weddings are a feast for the senses. The sights, sounds, and smells all come together to create an experience that is both overwhelming and exhilarating. The decorations, the food, the music, and the people all contribute to this sensory overload, making it a truly immersive experience. From the moment the wedding invitations arrive, a wave of excitement and anticipation fills the air. The invitations themselves are often beautifully designed, setting the tone for the grand event to come. As the date approaches, the excitement builds, with everyone eagerly looking forward to the celebrations. Everyone looks forward to the joyous occasion. The anticipation is palpable as guests prepare for the festivities. The joy of being part of such a significant event, of witnessing the union of two souls, is something that everyone cherishes. It's a time for families to connect and celebrate. The bonds that are formed and strengthened during these weddings are invaluable. It's a time to celebrate love, to honor traditions, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Indian weddings are truly a celebration of love, family, and life. The festivities often begin with the Mehndi ceremony, a vibrant and joyous pre-wedding ritual that sets the tone for the celebrations to come. This is usually a women-only event where the bride's female friends and family members come together to celebrate and bond. During the ceremony, intricate henna designs are meticulously applied to the bride's hands and feet. These designs are not just beautiful, but also hold cultural significance, symbolizing joy, beauty, and spiritual awakening. It is believed that the darker the henna stain, the deeper the love between the couple, and it is said to bring good luck and happiness to their married life. The air is filled with laughter and chatter as the women gather, sharing stories, singing traditional songs, and sometimes even dancing. This creates a warm and joyous atmosphere that is both intimate and festive. The smell of henna fills the room, creating a sense of anticipation and excitement. The henna paste, made from the leaves of the henna plant, is carefully prepared and applied with great skill and artistry. The bride is the center of attention, surrounded by her closest friends and relatives. They offer their blessings and well wishes, making her feel cherished and loved as she embarks on this new journey. Traditional songs and dances are an integral part of the Mehndi ceremony, adding to the festive spirit. These performances often include playful teasing and light-hearted banter, making the event even more enjoyable. As the henna dries and the intricate patterns become more visible, the bride and her friends admire the beautiful designs, each one unique and special. The ceremony is also accompanied by a variety of delicious sweets and snacks, which are shared among the guests, adding to the celebratory mood. In today's digital age, the Mehndi ceremony is also a time for capturing memories. The bride and her friends take countless photos and selfies, preserving these precious moments for years to come. The Mehndi ceremony is a beautiful blend of tradition and celebration, marking the beginning of the wedding festivities and creating lasting memories for the bride and her loved ones. Next comes the Sangeet ceremony. This pre-wedding event is a celebration of music and dance. Family and friends come together to perform choreographed dances and sing traditional songs. The atmosphere is electric with excitement. The bride and groom's families take turns showcasing their dance moves. It's a night of laughter, joy, and friendly competition. The wedding day is finally here. It is the most important and sacred event. The air is thick with anticipation and emotion. The bride and groom prepare for a day filled with rituals and blessings. The day begins with a puja. This is a religious ceremony to invoke the blessings of the gods. The priest chants mantras and offerings are made. The atmosphere is serene and spiritual. Section 5. Baraat, the groom's grand entrance. One of the most exciting parts of the wedding day is the Baraat. This vibrant and lively procession marks the groom's journey to the wedding venue, and it is filled with joy, music, and dance. The Baraat is not just a simple arrival. It is a grand spectacle that sets the tone for the entire wedding celebration. This is the groom's procession. It is a time-honored tradition in Indian weddings, where the groom is the center of attention. The Baraat is a symbol of the groom's readiness to start a new chapter in his life, and it is celebrated with great enthusiasm and energy. He arrives at the wedding venue with much fanfare. The groom's arrival is a moment of great anticipation and excitement. As he approaches the venue, the sounds of drums and music fill the air, creating an electrifying atmosphere. The groom is often seen smiling and waving to the guests, who cheer and celebrate his arrival. He is usually accompanied by his family and friends, who dance and celebrate his arrival. The Baraat is a collective celebration where everyone participates in the joyous occasion. Family members, friends, and even neighbors join in the procession, dancing and singing along the way. It is a moment of unity and happiness as everyone comes together to celebrate the groom's special day. The groom often arrives on a decorated horse or even an elephant. This adds a touch of grandeur and tradition to the procession. The horse or elephant is beautifully adorned with colorful fabrics, flowers, and ornaments, making the groom's arrival even more spectacular. It is a sight to behold as the groom makes his way to the venue in such a majestic manner. The atmosphere is electric with music, drumming, and dancing. The beats of the drums and the melodies of traditional instruments create a festive ambiance. Professional dancers often join the Baraat, adding to the excitement with their energetic performances. The guests, too, cannot resist the infectious rhythm and join in the dancing, making the procession a lively and unforgettable experience. It's a grand celebration of the groom's arrival. The Baraat is not just a procession, it is a celebration of love, joy, and togetherness. It marks the beginning of a beautiful journey for the groom and his bride, and it is a moment that will be cherished forever. The grand entrance of the groom sets the stage for the wedding festivities, and it is a highlight that everyone looks forward to with great excitement. Section 6. Pheras, 7 Steps to a Lifetime of Togetherness. The heart of the wedding ceremony is the Pheras. This is when the bride and groom circle a sacred fire 7 times. Each circle represents a vow they make to each other. The atmosphere is solemn and sacred. The priest chants mantras and the couple exchanges garlands. It's a moment of deep commitment and love. Section 7. Vidaai, a bittersweet farewell. After the wedding ceremony, it's time for the Vidaai. This is the emotional farewell. The bride leaves her parents' home to start a new chapter with her husband. The bride throws rice over her shoulder, symbolizing prosperity for her family. There are often tears of joy and sadness as the bride says goodbye. Section 8, Reception, celebrating the newlyweds. The wedding celebrations culminate in a grand reception. This is a time for the newly married couple to receive blessings from family and friends. Guests enjoy delicious food, music, and dancing. The atmosphere is joyful and celebratory. The bride and groom are showered with love and good wishes. It's a night to remember. Section 9. The enduring significance of Indian weddings. Indian weddings are more than just a ceremony. They are a celebration of life, love, and family. They are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of India and the importance of tradition. These weddings are a beautiful blend of ancient rituals and modern sensibilities. They are a reminder of the enduring power of love and the importance of family bonds. Section 10. A tapestry of love, laughter, and tradition. Indian weddings are a vibrant tapestry of colors, emotions, and traditions. They are a feast for the senses and a celebration of the human spirit. These weddings are a testament to the enduring power of love, family, and tradition. I am grateful for the opportunity to have witnessed and experienced the magic of Indian weddings. They are a reminder of the beauty and diversity of human culture.